Sunday afternoon, folks. Lanark, Darren came all the way for Lanark. There they go, cock-a-doodle-doo. And Lorraine, by the way. Lorraine's hiding it, we'll get her in just shortly, don't worry. Anyway, Darren's up in Lanark there. In these gated carriage doors for Darren, right? This is Darren. And Darren, what's the name of your business again? There, get a plug.
Stuart Roofing.
Darren Stewart Roofing up there in Lanark. When he wanted garage doors, who did he come to? The mighty WSH fencing. There you go. And Lorraine, you stop laughing! Lorraine, stop laughing! Right, so there you go there. That's the back of them. We've done it cut like a flat part. Right, we've even got the blanket to snuggle them up. They're all snuggled up there all nicey. Come here to see what we've done with them. Come here. There's the flat bar for anti-theft. We've even got the 4-foot hinges, right? 4-foot hinges, right? That's the beams to the top of it. That's the beams for the crossing. Everything is there. We've even done this, shows that they can put dominoes in it and everything. And Darren's going to send me a photo of the finished product. Now, I'm not going to say, what I'm going to say is, I'm only going to say they're idiot proof to put up. They're not going to be foolproof, they're going to be easy proof to put up. It's as simple as that. And we'll see these when they're all up. And Darren, you let me know what's happening. And Lorraine, you're going for a fish supper whether you like it or no. Okay. Right. So there you go, cock-a-doodle-doo, and hello to Tommy Jimson up there in Melbourne. Thank you for talking to me today in the high street. And I'll catch up later with the gentleman for Daily I spoke to yesterday in the high street. Okay, just sometimes my head's got that much in it and go through it and I forget. See you all later, folks.